What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm sharing with you an isometric ab exercise. This exercise is pretty simple. It doesn't require any equipment, and all you have to do is lie down on your back and hold your legs up for a certain amount of time based on your level of core strength. In this demonstration, I'm going to be holding my legs up in two different positions. I always try and hold approximately 6 inches off the ground and at a 45-degree angle. I know this looks like it would be easy, but trust me, after a little bit of time, it is extremely difficult, and it's hard to hold this for even 30 seconds at a time, and I've been doing this for years. Like I said, this is an isometric workout, so it's going to work your abs and obliques without concentric or eccentric movements like sit-ups or crunches would. I know this is quite a bit to look at, but basically your abs are more than just the little squares that you see in the cartoons, and this exercise is intentionally structured to work all parts of the abdominal muscles and build core strength. So without further ado, I will demonstrate this exercise and talk through it a little bit as I go. My dad originally showed this workout to me when I was about 12 years old, and I've been doing it pretty much ever since then. Here recently, I've started doing it a lot more frequently to help strengthen my core for other calisthenic movements. Like all exercises though, it becomes easier as you progress. So there's a few different things you can do and add in to make this exercise more challenging as your core gets stronger. You get to be pretty creative and design it in a way that's, caters to your abilities, and it helps you get stronger. And that's one of the reasons it's like my favorite exercise to do at home. I apologize for the drop in frames every so often in the video. For some reason, I had a little bit of trouble transferring the footage from my phone to my computer. So in this video, I'm holding my legs at 6 inches for 1 minute, and then I immediately switch to 45 degrees and hold for another minute. After you do this, you take a 30-second to 1 minute rest, and then you just repeat the same 2-minute sequence again. And after you do 2 periods of long holds, you can break it down and you hold it for a shorter amount of time. So I held it for 30 seconds a piece, and then after I got done with that set, I just rested for 30 seconds to a minute again and did my last set with 30 seconds a piece, and that totals to 6 minutes of time under tension. While performing this exercise, you want to make sure that you are using your abs exclusively and not focusing on holding your legs up with your hip flexors. Your legs will probably be tired after doing this, after holding these positions for a little while, but you should definitely be feeling it more in your abs than in your legs. For the sake of time, I'm going to fast forward this last 2-minute sequence, and somewhere towards the end of the video, I will provide you with a few different examples of routines that you can do with this exercise. This is the point in the workout where I've reached the end of the long 2-minute sequences. Trust me, you're going to feel like time is running as slow as molasses through a bendy straw while doing these. And this is where I begin the 30-minute sequences, or 30-second sequences, where you hold it for 30 seconds at 6 inches, then raise it to 45 degrees. You take a 30-second to a minute break, and then just repeat.